Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. All paper MCQ series part number 5. ओवरकोट किसका अफसाना है? मीर तकी मीर, गुलाम अब्बास, गुलाम हैदर। ओवरकोट गुलाम अब्बास का लिखा हुआ मशहूर अफसाना है। Which is the full form of Wi-Fi? Form wireless fidelity. The lens in the human eye is convex lens. In the human eye, convex lens is used. Blood cells are produced by in the human body. Bone marrow. Blood cells are produced in the human body. Bone marrow. In which river of Pakistan are the endangered species blind dolphin found? River Indus. Blind dolphins found in River Indus. The Lady Finger Peak is located in Nepal, China, Pakistan. Answer Pakistan. The Lady Finger Peak is located in Pakistan. Mustafa Kemal Atatürk was a famous reformer belongs to Spain, Greek, China, Turkey. Correct answer Turkey. Mustafa Kemal Atatürk was belong to Turkey. 10 Downing Street is the official residence of British Prime Minister. 10 Downing Street is the official residence of British Prime Minister. The Blue Mosque or the Mosque of Sultan Azman is located in Istanbul. The Blue Mosque is located in Istanbul. What is the shortcut key for page break in MS Word? Enter, yeah, Control plus Return. Morocco and Spain are separated by Gibraltar. Morocco and Spain are separated by Strait of Gibraltar. The Earth's second largest ocean is Arctic Ocean. Second largest ocean is Arctic Ocean. The first largest ocean is Pacific Ocean. Algora waterfall is present in which country? Spain. The famous waterfall Algora is located in Spain. The current Chief Justice of Peshawar High Court is Justice Muhammad Ibrahim Khan. Justice Muhammad Ibrahim Khan is serving as Chief Justice of Peshawar High Court. Who is the current IG of Sindh Police? Rifat Mukhtar. Rifat Mukhtar is the IG of Sindh Police. Who is the current caretaker Chief Minister of Sindh? Justice retired Maqbool Bakir is the current caretaker Chief Minister of Sindh. Who is the current caretaker Prime Minister of Pakistan? Anwarul Haq Kakar is current caretaker Prime Minister of Pakistan. मिर्जा गालिब की पैदाइश का साल है 1797 ईस्वी. Kholdo was written by famous Afsana Kholdo was written by Manto. Qaide Urdu was written by Taj Manto Maulvi Abdullah. Urdu was written by Maulvi Abdullah. How many divisions in KPK province? 7 divisions. KPK consisted of 7 divisions. Who is the head of the state of Pakistan? Or yeah, Sadr is the head of state of Pakistan according to Law 1973, the current scenario, or yeah, current amendments basis. The old city of Lahore had gates, 9 gates, 11 gates, 13 gates. Answer 13 gates. The old city of Lahore consisted of 13 gates. Who wrote the famous book Muslim League Yesterday and Today? The A.B. Rajput. A.B. Rajput wrote the famous book Muslim League Yesterday and Today. Pakistan National Alliance was launched against Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. Pakistan National Alliance movement of 1977 was launched against Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. Thanks a lot for watching my video.